Okay.
Good. Yeah. So, hello everyone. This is Coach John with Savings Highway Global, and I'm so excited to share with you real quick uh, the opportunity as far as the analogy that I'm going to use is getting on the train. Getting on the train. Because the reason I say this is because Steve Gresham, the CEO of Savings Highway, goal as a company is to help 1 million families retire early and debt free. That's what his goal is. And folks, they're working hard to achieve this. But who helps make this become a reality are members. And the pay plan is literally phenomenal. And so, real quick, I want to share with you how we make this thing happen. So, I want you to imagine a train that is literally taking people to freedom, economic freedom. But in order to go to economic freedom, you have to get on. You have to get on to where this train can take people. And so, again, this train, the analogy I'm using here is Savings Highway Global. And it's a train, we're using this as a train that's taking people to economic freedom. So again, once you get on the train, and of course there's a ticket price to get on, and basically the ticket price represents the membership in the company. We have memberships, we don't have products per se, but we have memberships that give access to people who want to save money, make money, or both. Well, a lot of people want to do both. They don't want to just save money, but they can make money at the same time while they help people save money. They would rather do both. And if you concur, this is a great opportunity for you. Now, what are the ticket prices to get on board, or what's the membership fee to participate? It's $20 startup, or $100 startup. Depends upon what membership you like to be a part of. The gold membership is $20, and the platinum membership is $100. However, with the $100, you do get some extra benefits. But let's say, for instance, you decide to get on as a gold member. In this day and age, it's very difficult for a lot of people for having extra income. But anyway, let's say you want to get on for a gold member, it's $20. Now, I want you to understand in the pay plan is incredible because you have an opportunity to generate between $797,000 per month to 3.9. I know that might be just kind of out of your mind in terms of that. So we're going to kind of share with you how we make it happen. So again, you got to get on board. And again, what the company's doing is helping people save money, make money, or both. So get on board. Let's say you get on board for $20 or $100, for example. And so you see that the train, the car right behind the engine is the get on board one. Everybody has to get started. And when you get started, what do you get? Well, you get a website. You get a 7-day trial too, basically, to make sure you want to stay on this opportunity and go to where it can take you. So you get a website, and your website allows you to invite other people to come and get on board too. And they want to get on board. Why? Because they want to save money, make money, or both. Now, in this analogy that I'm using is that we want to work to eliminate your monthly expense to stay on board this opportunity. And what is the monthly expense? It's either $20 or $100. It depends upon if you have a gold membership or a platinum membership. Now, let me say something real quickly about the platinum membership, because the platinum membership that's $100 per month allows you to earn 5 times the income that the gold membership offers. And you can earn you can earn a total of 3 different income streams. Membership, lower your bills, as well as health care savings. So that's pretty big, folks. And you get a nice annual vacation. So basically, if you stay consistent for a year without having to refer anybody, you can get a really nice vacation for you and your family, about $3,000 and so forth and so on. So that happens for platinum members. But let's say that what you want to do is get freed up, and that's the key. That's why we talk about helping people get freed up right away. So how do you get freed up? Well, if you refer 4 members that come on board, 4 people that want to become members, and whether they want to do the $20 membership or the $100 membership, you refer 4 of them and they stay active, you've just eliminated your monthly expense. Yeah, you've earned the money to take care of your monthly expense, but you just eliminated coming out of your pocket or off of your card. That's very powerful, folks. And so you notice after you get on board, the next car right behind that are the people that you are referring to get on board. And basically, when they start, they're starting their first car, because the first car is them. They're getting on board, and they're going to refer people that want to get on board and eliminate their monthly expense. Folks, this is very powerful. So you refer 4 people, they get on board, the next car, and you tell them, if you guys want to get free like me, then just refer 4 and pay no more. And so that first car behind you, they come get on board, and everybody now is really excited. We're going to head to financial freedom. So yes, we are. But we want to refer 4 and pay no more. So they do that. So those 4 understand, and they stay active. They refer 4 each, just like you did. So you're free. Now your 4 friends are going to get free too. So they refer 4 each. That's going to be 16 more people added to your team. So every month that those 16 people are going to pay their monthly expense, you're going to be earning either $16 or you're going to be earning $80. Depends on what membership they have. And you're going, really? Yes, that's your second team basically in this example. Because your first team was 4, and that eliminated your expense. But when your 4 referred 4 each, that eliminated their expense. But it increased your income, and it produced freedom for them. Now, what happens when the 16 refer 4? Well, when the 16 refer 4, that's 64 more people added to your team, your membership team. And what does that mean? That means you're going to earn an additional $64 per month after 2 or 3 months, or $320. So your first team produced you either $16 or $80. Your second team produced for you $64 or $320. So your income is growing, and more people are getting free. So when the 16 gets free, they refer 4 and pay no more. How many more people are added to your team? Well, that's 16 times 4. That's 64 more people. Yes, 64 more people added to your team that want to get to financial freedom. And so what does that mean in terms of income? Well, 16 times 4 is 64. So that's 64 more people. That's either 64 more dollars or $320 added to your team. So that's very, very, very exciting. And it continues on. So when the 64, they want to get free, they refer 4 each. And when they refer 4 each, how many more people added to your team? 256. You go, yes, you can get paid on them too. I mean, man, folks, I tell you, this is so exciting, it's incredible. Why? Because it's moving all of you all to financial freedom. You know, you just happen to be in a car in front, but then they got their people just coming on board, and it's getting longer and longer. More and more people are headed to financial freedom. This is truly a people helping people system. Now, what happens when 64 people refer 4 each? Well, that's 256 more people added to your team. Yes, that's either 256 more dollars per month or 1,280. And then you got to add all of these up, incomes up, to get what your income looks like. Folks, this is really incredible. And what are you doing when you're having fun? You know, all these people on the train, they headed to financial freedom. You can go talk to them, because a lot of times on the train, you can go from one car to the next car, and you get a chance to meet people that you don't even know. But one thing you all have in common is that you all want to go to financial freedom, and you all are on this train, Savings Highway train, that's taking you there. Now, when the 256 refer 4 people each, it's 1,024 more people added to your team. So that means you can get paid on another 1,024 people. They're either going to be $1,024 more dollars per month added to your income that you already got coming. And if they're all gold members, and if they're all platinum members, well, yeah, 1,024 times 5, you're over 5. Well, folks, you're over $6,000 a month. I mean, it's really, really incredible. And it continues to grow. And are people happy? Yes, they are. Why? Because they're all headed to financial freedom. And what the key is, working to eliminate your expense. And how you do that, you refer 4 and pay no more, and they stay active. Now, if you want to keep on going and refer more, you can do that. So some people are. Why? There's some benefits to referring more. If you refer 5, oh my goodness, you can get paid on an additional 171 people in your 3x12 organization. 171,000 more people, potentially, you can get paid on just for referring 5. So you go, really? Yes, because this is a 3x12 matrix, and in the 3x12 matrix, you may not understand that, but we got some training to help you understand that. In fact, you can go to the SHG success.com and learn even more about this. But anyway, more and more people are coming on board. More and more financial freedom is happening for a lot of people. And so what is your potential income again for a gold member in closing is $797,000 per month. And for a platinum member, the maximum is $3.9 million per month, plus some other incomes. So we're going to stop here, but we'd like to thank you for taking the time to hear this. And if you want more information, you can call me direct, call Marlena direct. My number is 503-358-9655. I'm one of the team members that's looking to help grow our teams so that we can all get to financial freedom together and have some fun. So one thing I say in closing is that there's a lot to learn because all we do is help people save money, make money, or both, and there's a lot to earn. So with that said, thanks a lot for being here. God bless, and have a great day. This is Coach John.
All right. Thank you so much, John. There are no health savings or income guarantees. All results vary. Get back to the person that invited you. Have a great day.